Hydroponics is a way to grow plants without soil. It uses water filled with nutrients. The word hydroponics comes from Greek. It means water and labor. Hydroponics is important now more than ever. It helps us grow food in new ways. This is especially important as our climate changes. Imagine a world where fresh food is available everywhere. Picture lush vertical farms in cities, providing nutritious produce. This is the vision of hydroponics. It is not just a futuristic concept, it is a rapidly growing reality. Hydroponics allows us to cultivate plants in controlled environments. We can grow food in deserts, on rooftops, even in space. This method offers a sustainable solution to food security, especially in areas with limited land or water resources. In a world facing climate change and a growing population, innovative solutions are crucial. Hydroponics, with its potential to revolutionize food production, emerges as a beacon of hope for a sustainable future. Hydroponics uses less water than traditional farming. It can use up to 90% less. This is because the water is recycled and reused. This makes it a great choice for areas with little water. Hydroponics also helps protect our planet. It reduces the need to clear forests for farmland. It also minimizes the use of pesticides and herbicides. This protects our ecosystems and our health. Growing food locally means less transportation. This reduces pollution from trucks and ships. Locally grown food is also fresher and tastes better. Hydroponics can create new jobs. People are needed to design, build, and maintain the systems. It is a growing field with lots of opportunities. There are different types of hydroponic systems. One is called the nutrient film technique, or NFT. In this system, a thin film of nutrients flows over the plant roots. Another method is ebb and flow. Plants are flooded with nutrient-rich water, then it drains away. This gives the roots oxygen. Drip systems deliver nutrients directly to each plant's roots. Aeroponics suspends plant roots in the air, misting them with nutrients. Technology is making hydroponics even better. We use sensors and computers to monitor the systems. This ensures the plants have the perfect growing conditions. Imagine robots planting seeds and harvesting crops. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is being used in hydroponics. It analyzes data and adjusts the environment for optimal plant growth. This technology is leading to larger harvests and healthier plants. Hydroponics is a promising solution for the future of food. As our planet faces challenges, we need smart ways to grow food. Hydroponics can help us feed a growing population while protecting our planet. More and more people are interested in where their food comes from. Hydroponics allows for transparency in food production. Consumers can see exactly how their food is grown and what goes into it. Governments and businesses are investing in hydroponics. They see it as a key to sustainable agriculture. With continued support and innovation, hydroponics will play a major role in feeding the world. Hydroponics is not just a trend, it is a necessary step towards a more sustainable and food-secure future. By embracing innovation and investing in this technology, we can cultivate a brighter future for generations to come.